Good morning, my name is Claire.
My name's Will.
And together we are going to be making blueberry turnovers. We have 2 cups of blueberries here. Now we're going to turn it on high or low.
I'm going to add 2 freeze tablespoons of sugar.
And I'm going to lemon zest. And I'm putting in lemon. Add 1 tablespoon of honey while Will is stirring.
That's maple syrup.
And honey.
We're going to add a pinch of cinnamon and the spoon.
We're going to add in cornstarch with a tad of water while Will is stirring. It's getting all over the spoon! Time to pick raspberries. We have the puff pastry and we're going to cut it in 3 strips. Here. Fold it into triangles. I washed to take the triangle together. And we're going to put it on the sides, like so. And then here we're going to do a teeny tiny tablespoon of. Now we're going to use these little dimples. We're going to make little dimples with a fork. And then we are going to poke holes at the top fork like this.
Beautiful.
So that it doesn't overflow. Now we're doing the raspberry sauce. We're gonna add fresh raspberries that are from my Tana Andrea's yard. Freshly picked. Now Will is going to pour in all of these fresh raspberries from our Tana Andrea's yard. We should add the lemon juice, the lemon stuff now.
Do a little bit.
Oh, it's okay, Will. I don't think we're getting so much lemon zest. We're going to stir all that lemon juice into it. Look at that. I can just take 1 taste. Perfect. Could add a bit more sweetness. We didn't add the sugar.
That's to make it thicker.
In the oven for 15 minutes. And we got to set the timer for 15 minutes. Now we're glazing the turnovers, raspberry turnovers. And then this glaze is made out of orange juice
And lemons.
freshly squeezed lemons.
My big ones. I'm gonna do some more on my big ones because they're bigger. I have 3 big ones.
Glaze, 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 glaze. This one doesn't
I have 3 huge. Hey, I glazed all mine.
I glazed all mine.
Now that this is finished, we're gonna test taste.
This is divine. Perfect. Delicious. I love my blueberry ones. I think I'm gonna have one and they're gonna hide them all in my room and eat them all. Just for me.
Thanks for
Thanks for watching. Claire and Will.